Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Open Fampay and sign in with your credentials, then confirm the email shown. This matters because notifications route there. Once signed in, tap the profile or settings icon. Make sure you have your PIN ready if prompted. You'll see sections like Notifications, Security, and Account. Start by selecting Notifications to avoid wasting time. This first action narrows options, so you can directly control email flows instead of toggling unrelated alerts. Now go into Notifications and pick the email subcategory. Here you'll see types like promotional, transactional, and security alerts. Toggle each type off or on based on what you want. Transactional holds receipts and critical updates, so consider keeping security emails enabled. Once done, tap Save or Apply. This triggers the server to update your preferences. Make sure to watch for an on-screen confirmation or confirmation email so you know changes propagated. And note that some updates can take a few minutes to activate. Finish by checking your inbox and spam for confirmation or legacy subscription emails. Click unsubscribe links if necessary. If notifications continue, make sure to log out, clear the app cache, and reopen the app. Sometimes stale settings remain client-side. Reinstalling the app forces a fresh sync. If none of that stops emails, contact Fampay support and include your account ID and timestamps. This helps them trace server-side mailing lists. One tip: include a recent email header when reporting persistent messages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.